Dr. Bruce Kanehl from Jacksonville, Florida, and I first met Marty Lipsey of the Dental Sleep Med Systems about a year ago at a meeting in Orlando, Florida, and we talked about marketing and advertising, and so I really liked what Marty had to say about advertising, and they explained their system. And we first started out with radio advertising in Jacksonville, and they did all the work. I had no idea what to do, so they even picked out a radio station. They taught us how to handle new patients because we did have a number of new patients right up from day one. In fact, one day we had 8 new patients call from the radio, and hardly a day, I don't think a day has ever gone by where it's been on the radio that we haven't had at least one new patient. All of a sudden now I'm getting 30 to 40 new patients a month. And so his team helped me on how to handle a number of new patients. Taught our secretary how to handle the phone, how to ask the right questions to get the patient to come in for their complimentary visit. And then from there we started treating the patients, and the practice has boomed at tough economic times for dentistry, particularly in the cosmetic dentistry world. So this is a nice additional thing, and it's very gratifying too, because the patients are coming back very pleased, and now they're starting to tell their friends. We've also gotten a number of these new patients have become regular dental patients. You know, they wanting to see our hygienist, wanting to have veneers, and become regular patients. So not only has the sleep apnea helped us with treating sleep apnea, but also has helped the regular dental side of the practice. Well, the Dental Sleep Medicine Systems group trained my secretary and myself on what to say, what to do, and what not to do on those visits. And now a high percentage of the people that call from the radio ad come in for their initial visit because my secretary Carrie has learned from Crystal and their team what to say. And I used to spend a whole lot more time talking with the patient. I would highly recommend any dentist who is interested in treating patients for sleep apnea to join someone like Marty Lipsey and the Dental Sleep Medicine Systems team, because the bottom line is we know how to treat them, but we need people to come in the office. And when I first started out, I was just treating patients in my own office. We sent out newsletters and we talked, our hygienist would talk to them. Well, pretty soon every patient in the office had heard, and a number of them were treated. We ran out of people to treat. When we added the marketing and the radio, now we had a whole new group of patients to treat. And so I would highly recommend anyone to consider marketing, particularly with the radio part, because it has been so successful for us.